Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've been looking to add a plasma cutter to your arsenal of tools, this one from Reboot is a great option.
Imagine cutting straight through metal with ease. Well, this little machine takes care of that. This is the RBC 6000 DL Pro. It is a 60 amp plasma cutter, and this little machine really exceeded our expectations. It has a lot of premium features, it's easy to use, so it makes a great option for both beginners and hobbyists or even professionals. It's so lightweight and easy to carry, so perfect for taking with you on the go. We really appreciated the clear digital display and the controls. The screen shows you a lot of information, including the working air pressure, so you can actually monitor it while you're using the machine and achieve higher quality cuts. It's easy to adjust. It even has the option of 2T or 4T operation, so you can either press and hold to operate or press and it stays on. This machine also has the option to run on 120 or 240 volt power, and it automatically senses your voltage, so it makes it portable and versatile to use in a variety of locations and even comes with an adapter. The Reboot comes with everything that you need to get started from scratch. You just need to have a compressor, and it even comes with and uses standard consumables, so they're really easy to obtain either online or locally. The setup was simple and straightforward, and the instructions were easy to follow, and we were able to get to work right away. So we found this machine to just be absolutely amazing. It simply cuts through metal with ease, it leaves minimal slag, and it really makes quick work of what would otherwise be a very difficult job to get through these pieces of steel.
So we are super happy with this plasma cutter, and that's my point of view.